This video made possible by Buy Mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have a Samsung Galaxy S10 and we're going to show you how to do a master reset. So this is like if you want to sell the phone, you want to wipe it, you want to give it to your friend or have your kid use it, and you want to get all the sensitive stuff out, your browsing history, your logins, your key codes, etc. This is how you do a master reset, and it also set all the software back to normal as well. So let's go to the settings menu, which is in the app. So just drag up, look for settings, which is the gear. And then if you go down towards the bottom, if you go to general management, which is, whatever, 5 up from the bottom, it's these little sliders, there's 3 lines. Click on that, and then reset is basically down here at the bottom. And of course, there's more than one type of reset. You can basically reset all the settings, which doesn't touch your data, just the settings of the phone. You can reset the network settings alone, which will basically be like the Wi-Fi passwords, etc. You can reset just the accessibility settings, and then you can also do the factory data reset. And this is like the full-on reset. This will get rid of all the data as if it were straight from the factory. So reset your phone to its factory default settings. This will erase all data, including files and downloaded apps. There is actually one extra option, which is auto restart, and that way you can actually set a time for this phone to restart itself. So that way, whoever has it will have to log in. If they don't have the passcode, they can't log in. I guess that's what it's used for. So anyway, let's go to factory data reset. So we're going to get rid of this phone, so we want to get all of our data off here. So this tells you exactly what's going to happen. You're going to lose data in all these apps, and you want to reset, and of course it's going to warn you several times. And you of course have to put your PIN in before you can actually reset, so someone doesn't snatch your phone and erase it. So let's put in our PIN, which is a very simple one. Done. And now it warns you again. All of your personal information and downloaded apps will be erased and can't be recovered. Data that has been backed up to the SD card won't be erased. You can restore SD card data using Smart Switch after the reset. So this won't erase the micro SD card if you have one in there, but it will basically erase everything else. So you've been warned several times, delete all, and it goes straight to shutting down. And this usually takes a few minutes, so please be patient. In this case, there's basically nothing on this phone, so it may be a little bit faster. So we're going to end it here. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Definitely consider checking out our other videos here on Howtechs for the Samsung Galaxy S10 and many other popular phones. Okay, that's it. See you guys next time. Bye. This video made possible by buymobile.com.au. SIM card is here on the bottom right, and there's also a very small notch here on the bottom right as well. You guys can see that. There's also